Okay guys, this is the price prediction of BNB Binance Coin. Okay, so I'm gonna jump straight onto the Binance Coin as requested by one of our subscribers. So you can join our group on the Telegram as well, guys. So you get the latest updates about the market as well. If we have this on the 4-hour chart. I'm gonna draw the daily, so we can take a look at the daily here. If you go zoom out a bit, let me zoom out. Let me check the areas here. If we take a look at here, so what do we have here, guys? This is the swing high. If we take a look at here, I have already drawn this area one. You can see this is also, and this area as well. So right now we have crossed this area. As of now, you can see the candle is breaking this area 352, and that's very good sign. That's a bullish sign. Now the next target would be to break this area of resistance. The next area of resistance would be around 30, you see 379 here at this area. You see we have this area, you see this one. So next resistance would be around let me draw the area. Yeah, this one, 379 would be our next resistance, because we have broken this area of resistance. So I think the price is gonna shoot up to this area, or it can retrace back to this zone as well. The zone would be, let me just turn off the magnet tool, then this would be I'm talking about this area, okay, 333. If you want to place your orders, let's say, you can place your orders here 333, 332, because this is the area of demand. And let me draw another well there as well. Let me draw the two zones, so you can place your buy orders around here, because right now the price is moving in the upward direction and you don't want to jump in, because price has already made sorry about this guys. Where is the price range? Yeah, you can see here the price has already, it has jumped up to 21% over the last 2 days. So there is a correction, because we are in the downtrend, and during the downtrend the green candles don't show that much of a bullish move. So we need some we need some correction right now. So during the correction you can place your trades accordingly. This is on the daily chart, guys. Just keep that in your mind. This is on the daily chart, and if you want to place your trades, I would give you, this would be the best buying area. Just try to buy at these level of support areas. If you buy right now, already the price is pumping up, it would be a bad idea. So wait for the confirmations. And if I move on to the 4-hour chart here, guys, if we take a look at 4-hour chart, we have, what do we have here? We see this area is also a good, if we draw here as well. Let me just make this one to be perfect. Yeah, you see we have a lot of areas here. We have a lot of wicks around this area, This is also, there are multiple zones on the Binance, or on the BNB coin, sorry. So if we take a look at here, this would be our next swing high candle. This is the swing high candle. So this is on the 4-hour, guys. Just keep that in your mind. This is on the 4-hour chart right now. If I go back in the history, what do we have here? If I go back here, I'm gonna mark some zones from this area for the confirmations. So this one is the area. Let me delete this area for once. Let me delete, and just let me do this one. Yeah, we got it. Now it would be perfect, and the next area would be somewhere here. Now if you take a look at here, this is the supply zone for now. You can say this is the resistance right now. If I go forward, let me go to the forward here. If I go forward here, now it is more clear. If we take a look, you see the price is getting rejected from this area, so it would be not a good time to buy at these levels. So if I mark this one, just make it here. If you want to place your trades, for example, this candle closes here, then we might see a retest at this area. that would be 333. Okay, so you can place your trades at, you know, at under this level, and the price can go down to this area of next support. This would be our next support here, guys. Take this one, 306. So price right now is trying, you see the price came up, went down, okay, at the consolidation zone, then again price came up, got rejected, and it was testing this zone but got rejected multiple times at the area of 379, 380, 390. Okay, then from multiple rejections it went down. Here you can see in the demand zone. From there it tried again to test the previous swing high. If I'm you know, just give you some ideas, guys, the price went up. Okay, why it went up? Because it tested this previous swing high, this one. Let me turn off the magnet tool, this one. Okay, then again price came down to test the previous swing high here, then again price came up to test the previous swing high here, then again price came down, tested the previous swing low here, then from there the price came up, okay, to test the previous swing low here. So you see the price always travels in, you know, it goes to that point where there are swing lows and swing highs. The price came down to this level. Now this was the support level. You see multiple rejections at this area, 1, 2, and we had that in the past. So then from there price came up, tested the previous swing high. Okay, price came down, tested the previous swing low. Okay, the price came up to test the previous swing high. Now what do you imagine? The price is gonna come down to test the previous swing high candle. Whether this one would be the you know, analysis, sorry, this could be the prediction, or the price can come down to this area to test this. So these are the two areas, very important areas considering the price movement. You see price came up, down, tested the previous areas, previous candles, so you have to, you know, look for those. So right now the price is making such moves that we might came down to retest this zone, previous swing high, then from there it can also move down to test the previous swing low as well. So if you want to place your buy orders, the first one area of you know, buying would be 333, 322, because we might see some you know, retracement back to this area, and if it breaks below as well, then we might see some retracement at this area. That would be the area of let me draw this one, 305. So this one should be your first buying order. The second buying order should be around this one, but it all depends on the BTC as well. Just take a look on the BTC as well. Keep an eye on that as well. If it falls, you know, if it falls from 36,000, if it drops, you know, if it crashes, then we might have to go down to 280 zone. But for now you can place your buy orders here. Okay guys, that was it, BNB price prediction.